Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 8, 2025. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. This is Ethereum quoted to USDC on Zondacrypto, and this is daily time frame chart. I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. So what's happened here after the correction has been completed? What correction, you ask? Let me just clarify a little bit more. From this swing high at 4,930, we got wave A, wave B, and wave C. Correction had been completed. It looks like it has been completed. So we got a very nice impulsive rebound from the lows up towards the level of 4,730. So we are roughly $200 below the swing high from the August 24th right now. So because this movement to the upside was quite strong, we almost hit the level of 70. There's like 8 points missed. However, the most important thing here is that we on the RSI broke above the level of 50, and now let's check if we broke above the trend line. All right, from this extreme momentum reading, right, we got something like that. Let's say we can have something like this. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it will work. It will do. We got a breakout above the trend line of the momentum, back down to test it. Now we got the bearish engulfing here after the 4,730 level has been hit. So it's time for a small pullback. Now the major level here on the 1 hour time frame chart is this one basically, and this is support, and there's one more level here, and this is this one, and this is the support as well. So 3,858, 3,925, two most important levels. Okay, and only if we break below those levels the outlook might be considered more bearish. Let me just place my arrow here. Right there you go. So I mean this little demand zone here. This zone was recognized previously. This level was recognized previously by the market, broken, and then it worked quite nice in the past. If you like, you can add one more level, 3,997, basically 4,000, obviously 4,000 USDC. So quite nice zone here for the bulls. What's going on with the bears? Well, the bears actually have this extreme that they need to defend. Otherwise, the market might go easily above the $5,000 level, round number, $5,000, nice. And continue higher, basically, right? So bearish engulfing pattern, quite big pullback to the downside, extremely visible in the right place. Nothing wrong with this pattern. Nevertheless, it doesn't actually mean that the market will drop down right now to the demand zone. It looks like it's only a pullback here, a pause for the before the movement to the upside is done. Last thing here that you might apply to your chart as well is this trend line here, made by the extremes. So you can see we got the test of the trend line here, attempt of the breakout, final breakout, and then we go back below the trend line. Now let me just change the color because I get used to my orange color of the trend lines. Now this breakout to the downside is a little bit concerning, but just a little bit, because we just too easily moved below this trend line, so it looks like a fake breakout, right? That's a kind of a serious thing here. However, we are right now almost in the middle of this range from this ABC low to the swing high, right? So that's not that bad whatsoever. It might be just a time for a pullback here, just because the market is not just ready yet to the more dynamic and aggressive movement to the upside, right? So right now we just look for the momentum. We just await the momentum to basically bounce from the trend line, let's say, and then reverse and move higher towards the level of 70, right? And in that situation, obviously the market should follow this scenario, right? So we should hit 4,930 sooner or later. If we, however, extend lower, well, the chances for labeling this little situation here as a fake breakout increase, right? So please stay focused, stay vigilant. Very interesting situation on the Ethereum. Let's give market few days to digest it. Let's see what the market will do next. We got a plan right now. We got the scenario, and we're just waiting for the further developments on the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.